Now, I'm in JASON Physics and Chemistry room. Today, I will introduce you TS-80 corrosion-resistant alloy coiled tubing, a newly developed product for sour oil and gas well with high hydrogen sulfide and carbon dioxide content. First of all, I will demonstrate tensile mechanical property of the corrosion-resistant alloy. The sample in my hand, the outside diameter is 1.75 inch and the wall thickness is 0.134 inch. Now, this sample will be tested by a tensile machine. As you can see, the sample has been broken and the test completed. Let's have a look at the experimental data on the computer. This is the result of TS-80 corrosion-resistant alloy tubing. The left part is the tensile curve and the right part is the performance. The yield strength has reached 841 megapascal, with a maximal tensile strength of 940 megapascal, and an elongation rate of 20%. With the data, we can know that the tested tube is suitable for the usage in an acidic environment due to its excellent tensile strength and elongation rate, which result in good toughness and plasticity. Then, the hardness test. The sample I am holding, which has been polished, will be tested by this micro hardness tester. The testing is conducted at 18 points, located at the weld joints, heat-affected zones, and base material. What follows will be the flattening and flaring test of TS-80 corrosion-resistant coiled tubing. First, we will do the flattening test. Okay, it's done. Let's have a look. You can see that there is no cracking on this sample, which proves the corrosion-resistant alloy has good performance of toughness and plasticity. This is the sample for flaring test. Now, we place it here on the testing equipment. Let's start the test. The test is over. Let's have a look. The sample shows no cracks and the tube is qualified. Well, we have tested the tensile performance, hardness, flattening and flaring test of TS-80 corrosion-resistant alloy tubing. With this test, we have had a better understanding of the tube's mechanical property. In addition to high tensile strength, it also has good properties of plasticity and toughness, which makes it suitable for the usage in an acidic environment with high hydrogen sulfide and carbon dioxide content. This is our equipment for fatigue testing. Opposite is the fatigue testing machine, and this is the control system. It can control the fatigue testing machine as well as collecting the working pressure, operating speed of the tube, and the number of tube fatigue bending. We have prepared a sample tube for the test. Now, let's start the test. The pressure inside the tube is 17, 35, 55, 70 megapascal respectively, and the fatigue test is now underway. Through the experimental, we can come to the conclusion that the fatigue life of corrosion-resistant alloy tubing is 2 to 3 times that of conventional tubing. The above is the mechanical and fatigue performance of TS-80 corrosion-resistant alloy tubing. I hope it will be helpful to you.